Rahim. I am Abdul Basit, chemistry teacher, Chandbagh School, Muridke. Dear students, today we will discuss worksheets related to alkanes. In this session, we will discuss question number 39 and question number 46, which were being given to you as assignment last week. Dear students, question number 39. The alkanes are a homologous series of hydrocarbons. Give the name of another homologous series of hydrocarbons. As you know that there are two homologous series in our syllabus. One are alkanes and the other one are alkenes. So the answer will be alkenes. The graph below shows how the melting points of the first 9 alkanes vary with the number of carbon atoms. As you can see from the graph that number of carbon atoms are increasing from left to right, while melting point is in an increase from number 1 carbon atom to number 9 carbon atom. Describe how the melting points of the alkanes with more than 2 carbon atoms vary as the number of carbon atom increases. The melting point increases with the increase in number of carbon atoms. However, the increase in melting point from an even to odd number of carbon atoms is less than the increase in melting point from an odd to even number of carbon atoms. Nonane is an alkane with 9 carbon atoms. Give the molecular formula of nonane. You just put the value of n equal to 9 in the formula. You will get C9H20. This will be the molecular formula of nonane. D part, 1 mole of C11H24 is cracked to form a mixture containing 1 mole of ethene, 1 mole of propene and 1 mole of another hydrocarbon. Construct the equation for this reaction. You have undecane C11H24. This is 11 number of carbon atoms in the molecule. First molecule in the products is ethene C2H4. Second one is propene C3H6. While remaining will be C6H14 hexane will be produced. Explain why oil companies crack the longer chain hydrocarbons. Shorter chain hydrocarbons such as petrol and gasoline are more in demand than longer chain hydrocarbons. Therefore, longer chain hydrocarbons are cracked to form smaller chain hydrocarbons. E part, hydrogen cyanide HCN is manufactured by reacting methane with ammonia and oxygen. 2CH4 plus 2 moles of ammonia to form hydrogen cyanide and 6 moles of water. First part, calculate the mass of hydrogen cyanide that can be formed from 500 grams of methane if the percentage yield of hydrogen cyanide is 65%. Here you can solve the question. First of all, you will have to calculate the MR of methane. The MR of methane is 16. Then calculate the MR of hydrogen cyanide, which is 27. Moles of methane, that will be equal to 500 is the mass of methane divided by 16 is the MR of methane. We will get 31.25 moles of methane. As from the equation you can see that 2 moles of methane are producing 2 moles of hydrogen cyanide. If we have 31.25 moles of methane, then we will get 31.25 moles of hydrogen cyanide. We know that theoretical mass of hydrogen cyanide is 31.25 into 27, that will be equal to 843.75 grams. Percentage yield is always equal to actual mass divided by theoretical mass into 100. From here the formula is rearranged as actual mass is equal to percentage mass into theoretical mass over 100. We will get the answer 548 grams of hydrogen cyanide. Hydrogen cyanide reacts with calcium hydroxide to form calcium cyanide and water. The formula of the cyanide ion is Cn-1. Construct the equation for this reaction. Calcium hydroxide plus hydrogen cyanide equal to CaCN2 plus 2H2O. Now question number 46. The alkanes are a homologous series of hydrocarbons. State two properties of a homologous series. As you know that a homologous series always has the same functional group. The molecules have same general formula. There are similar chemical properties or they can react similarly. Trend in physical properties, that is there is a gradual change in their physical properties, and two adjacent molecules always differ by a CH2 molecule. Draw the structures of the branched and unbranched alkanes having 4 carbon atoms. Show all the atoms and all the bonds. First structure is of normal butane and the second structure is for isobutane, or you can say that it is 2-methyl propane. C part. The graph shows how the melting points of the first 9 unbranched alkanes vary with the number of carbon atoms per molecule. In general, the melting point of these alkanes increases as the number of carbon atom increases. However, the increase in the temperature of the melting points is not regular, and there is also a decrease in melting point between ethane and propane. Use the graph to estimate the melting point of the unbranched alkane which has 10 carbon atoms. Its value will be in between -25 to -45 degrees Celsius. Construct the equation for the complete combustion of pentane. C5H12. It completely burns and produces 5 moles of carbon dioxide and 6 moles of water. Name the products of the incomplete combustion of pentane and explain why the incomplete combustion of hydrocarbons is hazardous to health. Carbon monoxide, carbon and water are being produced by the incomplete combustion of pentane. As you know that carbon monoxide is a toxic gas. It combines with hemoglobin forming carboxyhemoglobin, and it is a very poisonous gas. I thank you all for your time.